In the dynamic realm of small businesses, the HR department is the nucleus of organizational health. It recruits talent, manages records, and ensures employee satisfaction. Yet, even the most skilled HR teams face formidable challenges. Are you an HR professional in a small business struggling with recruiting, employee management, and improving workplace efficiency? If so, this video is for you. Welcome to the world of Eve Pacific, where we address small businesses' pressing pain points and reveal groundbreaking AI solutions to tackle these challenges head-on. Hello, I'm Noble Woods, founder of Eve Pacific Media. We're at the forefront of integrating AI technology with small businesses to revolutionize operations in the digital age. Recruiting new talent. In small businesses, the HR department often struggles with the daunting task of sifting through numerous CVs during recruitment. This process consumes valuable time and increases the risk of missing potential candidates. Workable offers an AI-driven recruitment process that automates candidate screening, enhancing talent acquisition efficiency. This solution speeds up the recruitment cycle, improves candidate quality, and enables HR to focus more on meaningful engagement. Workable services for small businesses start at $149 monthly for up to 50 employees. Managing employee records presents challenges. Ensuring accuracy, privacy, and easy accessibility while being time-intensive is daunting. ClickUp comes to the rescue. This app uses AI to simplify employee record management by automating organization and updates, reducing manual labor and error potential. This transformation leads to streamlined record management, enhanced data accuracy, and significant administrative time savings. ClickUp's AI features start at $7 per user per month, with an additional $5 per member monthly for AI functionalities. Payroll management. Payroll processing, intricate and demanding meticulous attention, often takes up significant HR bandwidth. Integrated systems like Workable simplify this aspect, ensuring accurate and compliant payroll processing. Automation reduces errors, saves time, and ensures legal compliance. Prices vary based on functionality, but are generally part of a broader HR platform subscription. New technology adoption. Integrating new technology can be challenging due to potential resistance and workflow disruptions. JuiceBox offers AI-driven insights for smoother technology adoption, aligning new tools with organizational goals. It ensures effective integration, enhancing productivity and employee adaptation. JuiceBox customizes pricing to fit specific business needs and recommends contacting its sales team for quotes. Employee engagement and performance analysis. Enhancing employee engagement and analyzing performance to identify improvement areas is essential yet challenging, often requiring extensive manual analysis. Fetcher uses AI to provide insights into engagement and performance, suggesting data-driven enhancement strategies. This approach elevates workforce engagement and aligns employee growth with company objectives, boosting team performance. Fetcher's growth plan for small businesses starts at $149 per monthly user. There you have it. Today's market tools can elevate your business. If these are your issues or you want your business audited for improvement opportunities, schedule a complimentary discovery call today. Discover how Eve Pacific Media's AI solutions can transform your operations framework. At Eve Pacific Media, we don't just recognize these pain points, we create custom AI solutions to address them, revolutionizing small business operations. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for updates on AI solutions for small businesses. Thanks for tuning in. At Eve Pacific Media, we're not just keeping up with the future, but creating it. Join us on this journey where innovation meets action. Until next time, stay visionary, stay impactful.